Hey guys, let's see where you can find the reset button for the Tapo C310. Let's say you want to reset the camera, then you just need to bring and physically open the camera and find the reset button, or you can just come here to this menu and reset from here if you have access to the app, right? But let's say you don't, so you just need to bring your camera. In here, you just need to open this cap or this cover here. Just use a Phillips screwdriver. You see it's a small one. There we go. And then you can find a small reset button there. You can't just use a tool to reach it, right? See here that I just remove the cover and the reset button is just right here. This small one here. You see it's hard to press with your fingernails, so you can just press with this tool here, any paper clip that you have, and just observe the LED here while you're pressing the reset button. The LED here will flash red. It starts flashing slow red, okay? And if you want to completely reset, you just need to wait to flash pretty quickly, right? So just press and hold for 10 seconds, and sometimes the camera even talks to you. So let me just put the paper clip here, you see it, the button, and then I press and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Reset successful. Rebooting camera. Please wait.
Okay, so as you can hear it, it says reset successful, rebooting camera, please wait. So it's being reset, right? So super simple. Then you can just put your cover back here with the 2 screws. There we go. Then the camera is ready for the setup again. You just can see the LED here flashing red and green, and it's ready for the setup.